Hi there, I just want to show you my process for making the promo video using Envato. First, I start by saving a bunch of assets in the project library or workspace. And believe it or not, this was the human by design moment for me because I realized that when you don't have like a creative brief or an idea of what you're going to make, you have to start discovering and searching for inspiration. And that's what I found while I was saving different library elements, inspiration. That discovery brings the inspiration to create a project. Then I created different characters, but I referenced them from images I found on Envato. For example, with the gorilla, there are so many different kinds of gorillas, different shapes, different faces, and I really like this one, this strong face that I found. It looks cool, not too intimidating, I really like it. So I decided to reference that one. And I did the same for the raccoon and for grandma. For grandma, for example, I just searched cool grandma and I found a bunch of different ladies, but I really like that one. And I end up building a character around her. So once I have the character sheet, I like to make like different scenes for the video. I like to do like a grid style version of the video that I'm gonna make, especially so that the lighting looks the same throughout. I think that's the best way to do it. And sometimes I would generate an image and have little mistakes that can be easily fixed. So instead of regenerating, I would fix it with Affinity, which is a free program for photo editing. Then I went to render the videos, but here's another human moment. You can write an awesome prompt, but then when you render it, the aesthetic is not as good as what you expected once you see it. So instead of just using whatever comes out, it's better to refine the prompt until it works. At one point, for example, I wanted to do like a vertical shot of the bull that is about to charge, but that's a tough shot to make with AI. And I did so many generations, but after a while I decided to just simplify the shot, and in the end, the simple shot worked better. Then I searched for different sound effects and created the voiceover. I put the voiceover in my editing timeline and I realized that I needed some text to punch it up a bit. So I searched the library for some cool text animations. This is something that I used to do a lot back in the day with After Effects templates. I don't use After Effects anymore, so I was really glad to see that they have a bunch of different DaVinci Resolve templates. I save a few, but I end up picking just one that really worked with the promo. And then I just laid the text that I created using that template on top of the video and it worked out great. As for the music, I use Envato. So I downloaded so many songs that I had so many options to choose from. And yeah, that was my process. I hope this helps and thank you for watching.
There is a new challenge on Contra, and it's a big one. The deal? Carte blanche. Any format, any idea, your passion project. You get unlimited downloads from one giant creative library. Footage, music, fonts, all of it.
Let's go!
Plus 100 AI generations to shape exactly what's in your head. No rules. One theme. Human by design. Show them the calls only you could make. And there's never been a better time to show the world what you've got. Because there's $50,000 in prizes on the line. You have 11 days to make something awesome. So pick your idea and get on it.